Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara Bridal handfan from scratch. So these are the materials I'll be using: tape rule, this is a carton, this is my scissors for my paper, this is my fabric scissors, Evostic gum, using this stick or cane, this is glue gun, using this string, then my Ankara fabric. So you need a round object, anything that is round. This is giving me 9 inches. So what you're going to do, you place it on your carton this way, and you will make a circle like this. This is the circle I made. Then I'll cut it out. I'll cut 2 of this circle using this plate. So when you are done tracing out these 2 circles, what we are going to do, we are going to add gum. When you are done applying your gum, you wait for it a bit to dry. Then you pick your Ankara fabric, you wrap it. So what will you do? I will add gum and fold the excess one, and I will also wrap this one. When you are done wrapping this way, I will wrap this other one the same way. So I'm done wrapping the both circle. Now it's time to wrap this stick. So this is the Ankara material I want to use. The length is 10.5 by 1.5 inches. So this is what we'll be using to wrap this stick. So I will apply gum. So after applying your gum on your stick, you allow it to dry a little before you start wrapping. So when we are done wrapping the stick, now it's time to put it into our fan this way. This is what we'll do. So I will apply gum on this side and on this side. When you are done applying your gum, you wait for it a bit to dry. Then you pick your stick that you've already wrapped. You measure it 4 inches. 4 inches. You can use your pen or your chalk to mark 4 inches. Then you place that 4 inches inside your handfan this way. When you are done doing this, I'm going to use this to cover it. So when you are done, see our Ankara handfan is taking shape. So we are going to use our trim now to cover this edges up. Then we will use UHU gum. You can use any trim of your choice. You apply your UHU this way. Then you put your trim. So just use your trim to cover up your rough edge. That's what I will do from this point to this point. So you just keep wrapping until you wrap all the handle with your trim. That's the way I am doing. So when you are done wrapping to the tip, you cut off the remaining excess of your I'm holding it to dry.